Now we are to learn about lateral surface area of cuboid. In our previous lecture, we had learnt about the surface area of cuboid. We will, for the purpose of repetition, we will again say that when we calculate the surface area of cuboid, we take all the 6 areas: first, second, third, fourth, and 5 and 6. All the 6 faces, we had added the areas of 6 faces and it had come as surface area of cuboid. But when we are to calculate the lateral surface area of cuboid, we will not take into account the up surface area of up top and the bottom. That is, all the other 6 sides will be taken into account, but the top and the bottom areas will not be taken into account. So this is the definition before us. The lateral surface area of a cuboid refers to the combined area of all its faces except for top and bottom faces. We had learnt that this surface area we can calculate with the help of this, and we had seen that this was the surface area: 2 LW, 2 LH, 2 WH. Either you can remember the formula. This is the given for the lateral surface area: 2H multiplied by L plus W, or you can omit this part from the surface area and it will become the lateral surface area. That is, first point we will omit, this part we will omit, and it will become the lateral surface area. Or you can simply remember this: 2H multiplied by L plus W, and the result will come lateral surface area of cuboid. Now we will try to solve the question before us. Find the lateral surface area of a cuboid with length is equal to 5 centimeter, width is equal to 3 centimeter, and height is equal to 4 centimeter. So here length given before us is 5 centimeter, width given is 3 centimeter, and the height given is 4 centimeter. Now what is the formula for lateral surface area? 2H L plus W. What was the height given in the question? It was 4. What is the value of length? It is 5. What is the value of width? It is 3. We will solve it first. 8 multiplied by 8, it will come 64 square centimeter. Now this is the answer of lateral surface area of cuboid is equal to 64 square centimeter. Now another question before us is: find the lateral surface area of a cuboid which is 15 meter long, 12 meter wide, and 4.5 meter high. Now what is given in the question? Length is equal to 15 meter. Width given in the question is 12 meter, and the height is 4.5 meter. Now what is the formula of lateral surface area of a cuboid? It is 2h multiplied by L plus W. We will put in the relevant values as given in the question. What is the value of H? It is 4.5. What is the value of length? It is 15. What is the value of width? It is 12. Let us solve it first. 27. And the answer which will come before us is 243 square meter. So the answer is lateral surface area is equal to 243 square meter. So we are, for the purpose of recap, we can simply say that when we are to calculate the lateral surface area, you are to just remember this formula and you will be able to find out the lateral surface area of cuboid. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.